Hello everyone, welcome to another very short but concise tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to skip Xbox Cloud Gaming time. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do this. Obviously, this will depend, as well when you're playing. If you're playing in peak game hours, as you can see right here, playing during off-peak hours will make sure that you don't get the Xbox Cloud Gaming wait time. So if possible, just try to play during times when fewer people are likely to be online, such as late nights or early mornings. You can also update your Xbox Game Pass app as well to improve your experience in the app. Obviously, checking your internet connection can also be the case, so make sure to switch to hotspot or anything else like that so that you can go and so that you can see if your connection issue persists. Now, you can close and restart the Xbox Game Pass app as well. You can clear Xbox Game Pass app cache. Now, that sometimes works. So you go to settings, go to apps, manage apps, Xbox Game Pass app, and then just clear data and clear cache. On your Android, on your iPhone, pretty much the same. Now, obviously, you can try a different device. However, in most cases, it will be that your internet connection is bad, or you're simply playing during peak hours. So make sure to play during off-peak hours to make sure to skip Xbox Cloud Gaming time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.